So yeah, we've got Chris DiVincenzo and Ginger Ann's beloved 60 Buick Ruby after the torque tube and rear end disintegration. And we're gonna see, notice how quiet it is?
Yep.
Little scrapage, all good in the hood. So we have, yeah, it's amazing.
I didn't know you had to go backwards on the gear shift.
Oh yeah, it's like a Hydromatic. It's a Dynaflow, but it's super weird. But yes, we have, oh man, the brakes are amazing. I still got to check the e-brake. I know it works, I just want to see how well it works in an emergency situation. Before it gets turned over to the owners, right? Because this has never worked. So, let's see, because it's all there and hooked up. So if we get up to speed, and then just start going down, oh, look at that. It stops. And the light even comes on. Man, look at that. She works. So we have emergency brake. First time since I've known this car in about 2.5 years. Amazing. Emergency brake works. Transmission does what it did. No vibration. Man, brakes are solid. Man, nice. Yeah, the dash lights is a little sketchy. But it's smooth. There's no vibration. Do you feel a vibration back there?
Nope.
Man, this thing is tits. Nice. Oh, they're going to love this. Just the fact the exhaust is so quiet. They've never had this car with the exhaust so quiet. Because it's always been patched and had all the holes and everything. What's up with his green lights up in that? Man, that's somebody trying too hard. You're welcome. Man, the brakes are solid, dude. I adjusted everything up and set the e-brake and all that. If you go in manual low and nail it, these things pick up and grab like you wouldn't believe. And this is a small engine. I forget the cubic inch. It's the 364, I think, maybe. But if you nail it, it'll do the like high angle. There you go. Look at that. 60 Buick. Woo! 60 miles an hour to 60 Buick that quick. Isn't that what this is? William, a 364?
I don't know.
I think it's a 364.
It rides good, I hear that much.
Still a bullshit rear end. I hate the way these things are set up. But dude, it does good. This thing does amazing. I think this thing's ready to go home. This is like, wow, dude. This thing's really nice. Let's pull it down and low. See low? Gotta love a Dynaflow, man. Smooth though. No matter speed, it is smooth. No more vibration, no more weird stuff. I'm happy. I think they're going to be happier than I am. This thing is great, man. Exhaust is quiet. It's smooth. When the yoke broke, it had a vibration from hell, man. This thing is insane. Quiet exhaust, smooth. I think it's good to go. What do y'all think?
I think so.
I think this thing is stellar. Of course, it's got new wheel bearings in the axles in the rear and all of that done. Man. There's a high angle on the converter. Yeah, she wants to float, man. So there you go. There's a 60 Buick LeSabre. Original driveline. Back on the road, kicking ass. Got a guy like this, pulls out too far. God, we're gonna have to cut like a caddy turn. Man. High angle. Man, these things are great. Well, I call this done. This is nice. This thing is amazing. Exhaust rubs a little over our bump, no big deal. Man. Only bit of ice we have to contend with. I almost want one of these. If only it was a Cadillac.